For the week of April 5th to the 11th, 2026, the generative AI industry has officially exited its hype cycle. The landscape is shifting into a period of consolidation and consequence. The theoretical benchmarks and controlled laboratory demonstrations that dominated the last 2 years no longer dictate market leadership. Enterprise survival is now measured by a single, unforgiving metric: deterministic reliability under heavy concurrency. Systems either work under massive load or they fail. To parse this transition, we are running this week's intelligence briefing through 3 distinct analytical filters: the good, the bad, and the ugly. The stakes for enterprise architects are immediate. Organizations are actively deciding whether to renew or cancel their massive 2025 AI contracts based squarely on these emerging performance realities. A massive gap has opened up between the systems that look impressive in isolated demonstrations and the systems that actually survive the friction of enterprise production environments. Real-world operational loads break theoretical engineering. Long-term survival in this market requires proving your architecture in production, not in press releases. Open-weight models have reached performance parity with frontier closed models, transitioning from cheap alternatives to primary competitors in enterprise procurement. This horizontal bar chart tracking SWE bench verified scores illustrates the shift. GPU AI's open-weight GLM-5 hit 77.8%, landing exactly 3 points behind Anthropic's closed Claude Opus 4.6 model. When you factor in execution speed, GLM-5 completes the same workload 4 times faster than Claude. Miniax M2.7 provides another proof point, achieving 80.2% on SWE bench, delivering frontier-level coding accuracy in an open-weight package. Looking at this cost reduction curve, the economic advantage is obvious. Minimax maintains that coding accuracy while operating at 90% less cost than closed equivalents. The engineering scale is also expanding. Deepseek v4 successfully pushed an open-weight architecture to a full 1 trillion parameters. Deepseek trained v4 using Huawei Ascend chips. This proves that frontier-class trillion-parameter models can be built without relying entirely on NVIDIA GPU clusters. Major tech conglomerates are adjusting. Google's release of Gemma 4 signals their full commitment to maintaining enterprise-ready open weights alongside their paid systems. Gemma 4 ships with 31 billion parameters under a permissive Apache 2.0 license, sharing its direct architectural lineage with Google's flagship Gemini 3 model. Google is also maturing its broader ecosystem, officially merging its NotebookLM research tool directly into the Gemini interface. Users can upload PDFs, URLs, and video directly into Gemini, transforming it from a chatbot into a comprehensive multimedia research environment. Utah has authorized the first autonomous AI renewals of drug prescriptions, establishing the initial legal framework for AI autonomy within a regulated medical workflow. Concurrently, major financial institutions, including Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, and JP Morgan through Project Glasswing, are actively testing Anthropic's Mythos model for internal banking workflows. With open-weight models hitting parity and regulated industries deploying autonomous medical AI, the monopoly of the closed frontier lab is over. Enterprise trust is rapidly decentralizing. The enterprise sector is currently executing a ruthless purge of demoware. Organizations are stripping out the AI systems that presented well but collapsed at scale. The first major casualties are early agent frameworks, specifically tools like AutoGPT, experiments like Baby AGI, and early builds of Crew AI. This flowchart shows why these frameworks crashed in production. An agent misinterprets a result and triggers an unbounded loop, repeating the error infinitely. Lacking state management, when an API returned a standard error, the agent couldn't adapt, resulting in a total pipeline crash. Enterprises are also abandoning basic LLM wrappers and frontier model clones trained on weak synthetic data. These tools exhibited massive hallucination rates as concurrency increased. They suffered from poor generalization and lacked the retrieval-grounded reasoning required for accurate enterprise search. As AI pipelines rack up thousands of runtime hours, governance teams are logging messy, unpredictable failure patterns that never appeared in controlled lab tests. This lack of reliability collides directly with a tightening legal environment. The European Union has officially shifted from drafting AI rules to actively enforcing them. Global companies deploying AI now face immediate, strict compliance standards governing data privacy, algorithmic accountability, and ethical guidelines. Systems optimized for the demo wow factor cannot survive. They are systematically collapsing under the weight of real-world latency, complex API errors, and strict legal liability. AI reliability has officially transitioned into a formal national security risk vector. The U.S. National Cyber Director has launched a federal initiative to map and identify critical infrastructure vulnerabilities that can be explicitly exploited by AI systems. Enterprises operating AI-augmented cyber defenses should anticipate mandatory federal audits regarding their deployments in the near future. This 3D network topology map illustrates the root of this risk. Deploying autonomous AI agents introduce massive new attack surfaces into your internal network. If an attacker compromises an agent, they bypass external perimeters. The agent acts as a trusted internal entry vector. This vulnerability is so severe that AI agent security is separating into its own standalone tech industry. Cisco is currently negotiating a $250 to $350 million acquisition of Asterisk Security, a company built strictly to monitor and secure these agent frameworks. The true cost of an autonomous AI agent extends far beyond API tokens. The real cost is the massive security infrastructure required to prevent that agent from becoming a backdoor into your own network. The systems successfully surviving the 2026 enterprise deployments all share a specific architectural profile. They execute deterministic tool use, they rely on retrieval-grounded reasoning, and they maintain extremely low hallucination rates, even under massive concurrency. The industry standard for 2026 measures AI success through reliable, safe execution without human intervention, prioritizing production-grade stability over the ability to generate content. About KYC AI Labs, an innovation hub by KYC Global Pte. Ltd. Singapore, dedicated to bridging the gap between advanced AI research, governance, and practical business application. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.